Danielle joins us now. Like, what a day everywhere.
Wow, this is astounding, right? So well above normal, but there's a price with this, and it's the wind.
Yeah.
And in Lethbridge, for example, gusts were around 90 kilometers per hour today. Near Pincher Creek, over 100 kilometers per hour. So we pay the price on the lee side of the Rockies a little bit to get these warmer temperatures, as you know. Now, in Calgary, we got to 11 degrees today, and our max gust was closer to 50 kilometers per hour. So a little tamer here, a little more reasonable, but still very warm. We're sitting at 9 right now at the airport, which is looking like what our daytime high will be for tomorrow as well. So when off to work and school, expect about 5 degrees, and the winds will be a little calmer in all communities in southern Alberta for tomorrow. So in Calgary, around 30 kilometer per hour gusts. So again, 5 when off to work and school, 9 in the afternoon. That's your 24-hour forecast, brought to you by Fifth Avenue Volkswagen. Family-owned, community-driven. Discover more at Fifth Avenue Volkswagen.
Let's bring Danielle in now as we take a peek at our 5-day forecast. Things are looking pretty good this week.
Yeah, potentially even record-breaking heat by Wednesday, and that will come with gustier conditions as well. So warm and windy is the story for at least the next few days, and we'll be above normal and above freezing with regards to daytime highs in the city all week. All right, so south of the city, Pincher Creek, Crow's Nest Pass, including Fort Macleod and Cardston, these areas, 120 kilometer per hour gusts possible throughout the evening hours. Closer to Lethbridge down to Milk River, 100 kilometer per hour gusts possible. And then Jenner down through Medicine Hat and south to the border, 90 kilometer per hour gusts. This is for the evening hours, and then it will start to quiet down tonight, overnight, and then be tamer tomorrow. So checking out today's maximum wind gusts, 109 in Pincher Creek, so close to that 120 mark. 91 in Lethbridge, and for Medicine Hat, 85 is a very strong gust. So very gusty in the far south, a little more reasonable as we head further to the north. So Calgary, Brooks around that 50 mark, Drumheller, Red Deer, Banff around that 40 mark for today. Let's fast forward to tomorrow when we're looking at tamer winds, Calgary, Brooks, Drumheller, Medicine Hat, 30 kilometer per hour gusts, 60 for Lethbridge, and 70 for Pincher Creek. So still certainly gusty in this corridor, but a lot less gusty than today, which means temperatures will not be quite as warm as today. So keep that in mind as well. We got to 11 degrees in Calgary today and Vancouver, 10 in Victoria. So we have all the warmth here in BC and Alberta. Checking out temperatures at the moment, 10 in Drumheller, 9 in Calgary, 8 in Lethbridge, 9 in Milk River and Medicine Hat, and 5 in Pincher Creek. So yes, definitely toasty for this time of year. Golfing weather, barbecuing weather, nice walks, all of those kinds of things. You just have to contend with some wind. All right, we have some cloudy periods out there. Snow for some of the mountain tops. That will continue. Banff area for the next 24 hours, looking at the potential of a little bit of mixed precipitation. Outside of that, though, by the midnight hour, we may see a little pop of rain closer to the Lethbridge area. We may even see a couple raindrops in the city, but this is at midnight, and this is very short-lived. So no real moisture in the forecast at all for this week. In fact, I'm just going to play through these couple of days here. Basically, some cloudy periods at times in southern Alberta is the story with regards to any sort of active weather. All right, 9 degrees is our high tomorrow in the city. Winds out of the west around 30 kilometers per hour at times with a mix of sun and cloud. Wednesday, 15 degrees. So, of course, that comes with gustier conditions in the city. 50 kilometer per hour gusts certainly possible. And still holding to some warmth Thursday, Friday, and Saturday with daytime highs in those plus single digits.
Welcome back. Well, if you thought today was great, just wait.
Just wait.
There's more.
Record-breaking heat by Wednesday. What? Yeah, get ready for it. And even today was pretty close to breaking a record. We got to 11, and the record for this day is 13 degrees. So just a couple degrees off. It's a very warm week, except for today through Wednesday will be the warmest for the most part. All right, normal is -3, well above normal. Checking out these next 3 days, 9 degrees for tomorrow with tamer winds, 30 kilometer per hour gusts, and then the gusts will pick up on Wednesday, but that will likely carry us to 15 degrees. Wow.